Okay guys, so you really know the nuts and bolts now of creating a store and using all the basic features and functions, and you may have had a look at my store and be wondering why my store looks different, or you might not be able to do something that I've done on my store. And I'm going to show you now. I found an app. I forget the name of it now. I'm not massively familiar with it. But I found an app called PageFly, Advanced Page Builder. So this app is brilliant in the case that you can do so much with it. So if we look at my store now, and let's just go to, so you'll notice here, I've got these which are products with buttons. I've got this kind of effect here. This is called a parallax effect with a button in here. Then I've got galleries and, a 360 picture. This is a HTML embed, and my layout and everything is much more complex than what you can do with the basic Shopify settings. And that's because of this app, okay? Now it comes with a hefty price tag. I forget the price of it now. I think it could be we find their website. Let's just have a quick Google of it, try and get the price. PageFly Shopify app. Just have a quick look in here and just see if I can get the price for you. Here we go. There we go. So free. Oh, we got a free version, free page limit. So you could actually go and try this app out for free, which is great. Then you've got the pro, then you've got the premium. Okay. Now, as an app developer, I happen to have access to the premium for free, which is very lucky for me. But it means I can test things out for you. Now, I wouldn't say I'm anywhere near an expert on it. It's a little bit clunky, a little bit tricky to get your head around. And I really don't know my way around it that well yet. But if we just go into a page and we have a quick look at a page, you can crank out as many pages as you want, but here we can basically, it's kind of point and click. Now I don't really want to do too much to this just in case I mess it up, but I can add in text here. I've got full control over here of text, images and stuff. We can upload an image over here. We can add tons of things here. So we can add all these different bells and whistles. We can add a section here. Pricing tables, images with text. We can, what I particularly like. Well, we can do different columns and different rows. So we can have, split up into 4 columns, and we can put different things in each one. Google Map, which I found very good for my Contact Me page or Contact Us page. Created quite a nice one here. I used their template and then I added my own address in there and everything. This shoots an email across to me when they submit an email, so it looks a lot more professional, should we say. I added About Us down here and then added it to my footer menu, by the way. This is something you might want to do, and this is just a little bit of something saying that I am approved by the Civil Aviation Authority. That's something you can do. Again, I built it, pretty sure I built it within PageFly. So go and have a check out of that. I'm going to hit discard so I don't actually make any unwanted changes. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. Like I say, it comes with a price tag, but it gives you maximum control. So it's great that you've learned how to build your site, as cheaply as possible. But if you want to, well, you will want to, I'm sure, continue working on your site and expanding it. That is an app there that's well worth taking a look at. Okay, thanks guys.